Hello students, this is SM Mali, lecturer, Department of Statistics, Gokte PU College of Commerce and Science, Belagavi. Welcome you all in my fourth lecture on index numbers. In my previous lecture, we discussed some 1 marks and 2 marks examples on index numbers. In continuation with that, today we are solving some 2 marks examples and 5 marks examples. First we will discuss some 2 marks questions. First question is given summation P0 Q1 equal to 300 and summation P1 Q1 equal to 375, construct a suitable price index number. Here with the given values, that is summation P0 Q1 and summation P1 Q1, the suitable price index number formula is Parse's price index number. Therefore P01 of Parse's equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. If you put the values, you will get 375 divided by 300 into 100. Then simplify further, we will get the answer as 125. That is Parse's price index number. The second question is, if summation P0 Q0 equal to 1100 and summation P1 Q1 equal to 1400, compute suitable index number. Here with the given values of summation P0 Q0 and summation P1 Q1, the suitable formula is value index number. Therefore V01 equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100, which is equal to 1400 divided by 1100 into 100. If you simplify further, we will get the answer as 127.27, that is value index number. The third question is given summation P0 Q1 equal to 172 and summation P0 Q0 equal to 192, construct a suitable quantity index number. Here with the given values of summation P0 Q1 and summation P0 Q0, the suitable quantity index number formula is Laspeyres quantity index number. Therefore Q01 of Laspeyres equal to summation P0 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100, which is equal to 172 divided by 192 into 100. Simplify further, then we will get the answer as 89.58. So these are some 2 marks questions. Now we will solve some 5 marks questions. In that, first question is calculate the price index number for the following data by using the aggregative method. Here the data is given as items are given A, B, C, D and E with the corresponding prices in base year and current year. The base year prices are 20, 8, 10, 29 and 15, whereas the current year prices are 25, 10, 12, 14 and 16. As we know, the base year prices are denoted by P0 and the current year prices are denoted by P1. Then for aggregative method, we required the total of base year prices and the total of current year prices. If we add all P0 values, that is base year prices, that is 20 plus 8 plus 10 plus 29 plus 15, then we will get summation P0 equal to 82. And if we add all current year prices, that is 25 plus 10 plus 12 plus 40 plus 16, then we will get summation P1 as 103. Therefore, the price index number by aggregative method, we have the formula, that is P01 equal to summation P1 divided by summation P0 into 100, which is equal to summation P1 is 103 divided by summation P0 is 82 into 100. Simplify this further, then we will get the answer P01 is equal to 125.61. Then we have the second question, that is from the following data calculate unweighted arithmetic mean index number. Here the data is given as items are given A, B, C, D and E with respective price in 2010 and 2012. Here 2010 is a base year and 2010 is a current year. Then in the solution we have to denote the base year prices, that is price given in the year 2010 as P0 and the current year prices, that is price given in 2012 as P1. Then we have to find price relatives, that is P equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. That is first price relative is 29, that is first price in the current year, divided by 26, that is first price in the base year, into 100. If you simplify this, we will get the answer as 111.54. Then next is 40 divided by 42 into 100, we will get 95.24. Then 24 divided by 20 into 100, we will get 120. Then 16 divided by 16 into 100, we will get 100. And the last one is 60 divided by 50 into 100, we will get 120. Then we require the total of all price relative values, that is summation P. And summation P can get by adding the values 111.54 plus 95.24 plus 120 plus 100 plus 120, and we will get summation P as 546.78. Therefore, the unweighted arithmetic mean index number formula is P01 equal to summation P divided by N, where N are the number of items, and in this example the number of items given are 5. Therefore, N equal to 5, and as we calculated summation P equal to 546.78. Therefore, P01 is equal to 546.78 divided by 5. Therefore, the unweighted arithmetic mean index number is P01 equal to 109.36. Then we have the third question for 5 marks, that is from the following data calculate unweighted geometric mean index number. The data is given, that is items are given A, B, C, D and E, and price in 2010 and price in 2012 are given. Here also 2010 is a base year and 2012 is a current year. Then in the solution we have to denote price under 2010 as P0 because that is a base year, and price in 2012 as P1 because it is a current year. Then we have to find the price relatives, that is P equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. So first price relative we can calculate as 29 divided by 26 into 100. We will get the answer 111.54. Then second is 40 divided by 42 into 100. We will get 95.24. Next is 24 divided by 20 into 100. We will get 120. Next 16 divided by 16 into 100. We will get 100. And the last is 60 divided by 50 into 100. We will get 120. Then we have to find log of these price relatives, that is log of P. Then from the logarithmic table we can find the log of 111.54 and we will get the log value as 2.0474. Similarly, the log of 95.24, we will get the log of 95.24 as 1.9788. Then log of 120, we will get 2.0792. Then log of 100, we will get 2.0, and the log of 120 is 2.0792. Then we need to add all the log P values. If you add 2.0474 plus 1.9788 plus 2.0792 plus 2.0 plus 2.0792, then we will get summation log P as 10.1846. Then we have the unweighted geometric mean index number formula as P01 equal to antilog of summation log P divided by n, where n are the number of items, and in this example number of items given are 5, therefore n equal to 5, and summation log P as we have calculated, that is 10.1846. Therefore P01 equal to antilog of 10.1846 divided by 5. Then simplify the bracketed quantity, we will get antilog of 2.0369. Then we have to find the antilog of 0.0369, and that you will get 10887. Then we have to give the decimal point after 2 plus 1, that is after 3 digit. Therefore the unweighted geometric mean index number formula is unweighted geometric mean index number you will get as P01 equal to 108.87. Then we have the fourth question, that is calculate the weighted arithmetic mean index number from the following data. Here the data is given as number of items A, B, C, D and E. Expenses are given in terms of percentages, that is 25, 10, 20, 15 and 30. Price in 2000 and price in 2005 are given. Then here in the solution, expenses we have to take as weights, that is W. Price in 2000, that is price in base year, we have to denote by P0, and price in 2005 we have to denote by P1. Then we need to find the price relatives, that is P equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. Then first price relative we will get 100 divided by 120 into 100. If you simplify, you will get 83.33. Then 30 divided by 30 into 100, you will get 100. Then 40 divided by 50 into 100, we will get 80. Next is 20 divided by 25 into 100, we will get 80. And the last is 50 divided by 40 into 100, we will get 125. Then we need to multiply weights, that is W, into price relative, that is P. Then we have to find W into P, that is WP. First W value is 25 into price relative first value is 83.33. If you multiply this, you will get 2083.25. Next is 10 into 100, we will get 1000. Next 20 into 80, you will get 1600. Then 15 into 80, you will get 1200. And the last is 30 into 125, you will get 3750. Then we need to add all the W values. Then you will get summation W as 100, and we need to add all WP values. We will get summation WP equal to 9633.25. Then we have the formula to find unweighted arithmetic mean index number as P01 equal to summation WP upon summation W, that is 9633.25 divided by 100. If we simplify further, then we will get unweighted arithmetic mean index number as P01 equal to 96.3325. So in the next lecture, we will continue with some more examples. Thank you.